Welcome to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan online classes. Dear children, today we are going to learn about class 8th science physics topic friction. Introduction. Have you ever wondered why a moving car or a truck slowing down? Why a bicycle slowing down after applying the brakes? Why a moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? Why is it difficult to walk on a wet floor? Reason: friction. Objectives. In this lesson, we are going to learn about force of friction, factors affecting the friction a necessary evil, methods to increase and reducing the friction, how the wheels reduce the friction, fluid friction. To understand the chapter friction, let us start with the activity. To perform this activity, we need horizontal table and a book. If we gently push a book on this table, after traveling some distance, it stops. Repeat the same experiment by applying the force in opposite direction. Again, after traveling some distance, it stops. Why it stops after traveling some distance? The reason: a force must be acting in opposite direction so that it can be stopped. That force is called frictional force. Direction of friction. To understand the direction of friction, if you apply the force along the left, friction acts along the right. If you apply the force along the right, friction acts along the left. Conclusion: friction is a self-adjusting force and acts always opposite to the motion and act parallel to the surface in contact. The nature of the friction is always opposing the relative motion. How to calculate frictional force? Frictional force can be calculated by using a spring balance. Spring balance consists of a coiled spring which gets stretched when a force applied to it. Stretching spring is measured by a pointer on the graduated scale gives the measure of frictional force. The spring balance is attached to a block with a thread or a string. By gently pushing on the surface, you can measure the frictional force. Factors affecting the friction. To understand the factors affecting the friction, we need to perform the activity. For this, we need a horizontal table, brick, thread, and spring balance. First, the brick is attached to the spring balance by thread. By gently pushing on the horizontal table, you get the measure of frictional force. Here the frictional force is depends on the surface in contact. The surface are brick and the horizontal table. Now, wrapping the brick with the polythene sheet, again perform this experiment. You observe there is a difference in the reading in the spring balance. Is it less or more? In the second case, the frictional force increases that can be observed in the spring balance. The presence of the polythene sheet makes the body to move very difficult. When a body is moving in very difficult, the frictional force increases. The presence of the polythene surface increases the frictional force. Again, understanding the frictional force, the various factors affecting the friction. For this, again, we need perform an activity. In this case, we need either inclined surface or a cardboard arranged like this in the diagram. When you release a cell or a pencil from some height, the pencil or cell travels some distance and stops. Repeat the same experiment by releasing the cell or a pencil. Now the table is covered with the cloth. What will you observe? In the first case, when there is no cloth, the cell travels a longer distance. In the second case, in the presence of the cloth, the cell travels less distance. From that, we conclude the motion is affected by surface irregularities or surface in contact. More the friction, the distance travel is lesser. Lesser the friction, the distance travel will be more. Friction is affected by surface irregularities and surface in contact. The reason for the friction is surface irregularities. Thus, when the surface irregularities are viewed through a powerful microscope, that can be viewed like this. The surface irregularities interlocking is the cause for the friction. More the roughness, more the interlocking. Lesser the roughness, less the surface in contact. So finally we conclude the roughness is the major cause of friction, and the roughness increase the surface irregularities, and this irregularities between the surface in contact which increase the interlocking the surface which increase the friction. Different types of friction. Friction can be classified into three types. The first friction is static friction. Static means the frictional force present when the body at rest position. Even though we apply the force, when the body is still not moving, the frictional force present at the surface in contact is called static friction. Another two frictions are kinetic friction or sliding friction, and third one is rolling friction. When one body is in motion over another body, the frictional force present between the surface in contact is called kinetic friction. When one body is rolling down another body, the frictional force present between the surface in contact is called rolling friction. Uses of ball bearing in the machineries. One of the greatest discovery of the mankind is the wheel. Wheel reduce the surface in contact and thereby reducing the friction. Now the wheels are attached with a device called a ball bearing which reduce the friction. Among these three friction, the rolling friction is very less. The order of the friction in increasing order is static, sliding and rolling. Means rolling has a less friction compared to the sliding and static. That's why all the machineries having the ball bearing arrangement between the hubs and the axles of the ceiling fans and the bicycles to reduce the friction. Methods to increase and reduce the friction. The soles of the shoe and the tires generally have a special type of arrangement that is called threaded types, which generally increasing the friction. Cars, trucks and bulldozers provide a better grip with this type of arrangement. Reducing the friction. Friction can be reduced by generally three methods: polishing the surface, using the lubricants and aerodynamics. While we are playing the carom board, we generally sprinkle a fine powder to reduce the friction. Few drops of the oil poured on the hinges of a door reduce the friction. A bicycle or a motor mechanic use the grease between the moving parts of these machines in order to reduce the friction. When an oil, grease or graphite is applied between the moving parts of the machine, a thin layer is formed between the surface in contact. Thereby, one body is sliding on another body, which reduces the friction, which reduces the interlocking. Friction is necessary evil. Generally, in winter time, we rub our hands with each other to produce the heat. Mastic work on the principle of friction. To hold a pen, for writing, for safe walking on the floor, friction is always useful. Friction helps the nail to insert in a wall or a wooden block. Fluid friction. What is a fluid? Fluid is The substance which is in the form of liquid and gases are called fluids. The object moving through the fluid experiences some type of friction that is called a frictional drag. The frictional drag depends upon the speed in which the fluid moving, and it is can be minimized by aerodynamic structure, and that is inspired from the nature, particularly birds. Keywords: ball bearings, drag, fluid friction, friction, interlocking, lubricants, rolling friction, sliding friction, static friction. In this lesson we have learned friction force, nature of the frictional force, factors affecting the friction force, different type of frictional force, how the friction can be increased or minimized, advantage and disadvantage of the friction, fluid friction, and aerodynamics. Thank you.